on lesson 1. النهارده كده هنحل ان شاء الله الاكسرسايز بتاعت lesson 1 وهنبتدي ب choose the correct answer. Number 1, a community that includes living organisms and non-living things is known as an ecosystem. تمام. Number 2, the interaction that presents in an ecosystem occurs between الانسرز بتاعتنا تكون living organisms and non-living organisms. تمام. الكائنات الحية والكائنات الغير حية. Number 3, a living organism that can observe sunlight to make their own food. or الكائن الحي اللي هو بيمتص أشعة الشمس وبيعمل الفود بتاعه هو plants only. تمام. Number 4, الهوكس get their energy from from animals only. تمام. Number 5, hawks ate a rabbit to get energy. That mean that a hawk is prey. لا طبعا الهوك is a predator، هو مفترس. تمام. This is answer. Number 6, all the following are considered a source of energy for hawks except number D, السيدز، البذور طبعا، يعني دول هو بيفترسهم كلهم. Number 7, there is an energy flow between the following two living organisms except A. Number B, tomato plant and potato plant. There is no interactive يعني أو. Number 8, crackle obtained its energy by eating mouse. تمام. Number 9, which one of the following living organisms can make its own food؟ طبعا الgrass. We need more energy during during physical exercise اللي هو النشاط البدني. Number 11, plant can make their own food through plant can make their own food through photosynthesis. أكيد. Leaves of green plants observe the sunlight to contain water with carbon dioxide gas. تمام. The primary source of energy for all living organisms on the earth is the sun. طبعا هو مصدر أولي للطاقة. Number 14, the space energy that comes from the sun is important for the photosynthesis process. يبقى light energy. Number 15, all the following sentences are correct about photosynthesis process except except number C, it produced glucose, sugar and oxygen gas. لا هي produced glucose, sugar and. Number 15, all the following sentences are correct about photosynthesis except except number B, it produced glucose, sugar and carbon dioxide gas. هي بتعمل جلوكوز ومش بتعمل كربون دايوكسيد جاز، هي بتطلق الاكسجين جاز في الفوتوسينثيسيس. اوكي. Number 2, choose from column B what suit it is in column A. Number 1, carbon dioxide gas. الانسر بتاعته هتبقى letter E. تمام. It campaigns with water inside the plant leaves to produce glucose, sugar. تمام. تعالوا نشوف number 2, الأكسجين جاز. الأنسرز بتاعته is it is produced from photosynthesis process. تمام. يبقى letter C. Number 3, الwater والأنسرز بتاعتها هتبقى D, it is absorbed by plant roots from the soil. This answers letter D. Number 4, sunlight. Without its energy, photosynthesis process cannot begin. يبقى الأنسرز بتاعتها letter A. Put true or false. Number 1, there is no interaction between the components of ecosystem. الأنسرز دي is false. مفيش تفاعل. غلط. Number 2, the light energy allow carbon dioxide gas to combine with water inside the plant leaves to make glucose. The answer is true طبعا. Okay. Number 3, after death living organisms بعد موت الكائنات الحية all energies that present in their bodies go to the soil يعني الطاقة اللي موجودة في البوديز في الأجساد بتاعتهم بتروح للتربة تاني، والأنسر دي is true. Number 4. Hogs cannot eat some types of food like plant leaves. والأنسر دي is true طبعا، هو ما بياكلش leaves. There is no energy flow between living organisms that live in the sea and ocean. والأنسر دي غلط طبعا، في تفاعل المفروض. Number 6. A bird eat insects as a prey to get their energy. والأنسر دي is true. Dead organisms don't need energy. الأنسرز دي is true طبعا، مش محتاجين energy خلاص. Number 8. There are some activities that don't need energy like listen to music. والأنسرز دي false، احنا محتاجين الانرجي على طول حتى even when we are sleeping. Number 9. We can live without moonlight but we cannot live without sunlight. والأنسرز دي is true لأن sun is primary resource for energy، هو مصدر الطاقة الأولي الوحيد على وجه الأرض. Number 10. Butterfly can produce its own food from sunlight. والأنسرز دي false، ده هي بتقيت plants. Number 11. الhard works or serve physical exercise need a lot of energy طبعا، والأنسرز دي is true. Number 4 بيقول لي هنا write the scientific term of each of the following. Number 1. A community that contains living organisms and non-living things. كائنات حية وكائنات غير حية، هو ايه؟ الايكو سيستم. تمام، ايكو system. Number 2. The process that takes place inside plants through which we can get oxygen. العملية اللي هي ايه takes place في البلانت، اللي بتحصل للبلانت، اللي هي الفوتوسينثيسيس. اوكي، photosynthesis. Okay. Number 3. It is a form of energy that change into chemical energy during photosynthesis process. اللي هو light energy، الطاقة الضوئية. تمام. Number 4. It is the primary source of energy for all living organisms on the earth. تمام، اللي هي ايه؟ المصدر الأولي للطاقة اللي هي الصن. Number 5. A type of living organism that can produce its own food by observing sunlight، اللي هو البلانتس، بيمتص ايه؟ أشعة الشمس عشان يعمل its own food. Okay. Number 6. The sugar that is formed inside plants during photosynthesis process، اللي هو الايه؟ الجلوكوز. glucose. Okay. Number 7. The gas that is present in air and necessary for the formations of plant food. ايه هو الغاز دوت؟ اللي هو الكربون دايوكسيد جاز. تمام. Number 8. The gas that is produced from photosynthesis، اللي بينتج في عملية ايه؟ البناء الضوئي، اللي هو الأكسجين. تمام. Number 9. Living organisms that both human and animals need to survive. ايه؟ احنا محتاجين البلانتس. We need plants. Okay. To survive. Number 5. Complete the following sentence. Number 1. An area that provides food, water and shelter to all living organisms which live in it is known as a ecosystem. Okay. Number 2. All living organisms need to do their activity, need energy. Okay, sure يعني. Number 3. Hogs attack rabbit to get their energy while rabbits feed on plants or grass. Okay, plants أو الgrass. Okay. Number 4. Sunlight energy convert ايه؟ الووتر. تمام. والكربون دايوكسيد جاز والكربون into glucose inside plant leaves. تمام. Number 5. Both human and animals cannot produce their own food. طبعا. تمام. Number 6, the light energy that is produced from the sun passes through all living organisms on the earth. تمام. Number 7, the plants produce glucose sugar and oxygen gas during photosynthesis process. Number 6 و number 7 okay و number 8 okay it will be homework. واشوفكم ان شاء الله في سيشن جديدة. see you ان شاء الله. باي باي.